Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. My name is Ryan. I'm a co-founder and the CEO of CodingNomads, and I'm really excited to share with you today a project that we've been working on for the last roughly 18 months, which is our own custom-built, state-of-the-art learning management platform that we built after 7 years in business, learning lessons about what we liked and what we didn't like about all these other platforms. And about 18 months ago, we decided to buckle down and build our own LMS, learning management system slash CMS, content management system from scratch. And that's what we're looking at today. So just going to give you a little tour around. We've landed here on the homepage, and you can see that I've got our up in the menu. We've got the dashboard. This is going to be the place where you can see all the pages that you've recently visited, all the courses and or career tracks that you're currently enrolled in, as well as any pages that you may have bookmarked to refer back to quickly. In the catalog, this is the heart of the application. This is where you can see all of the subjects, career tracks, courses, etc. One of the neatest things about this new platform is that when we launched this new platform, we also made public essentially all, about 98 or 99% of our written curriculum, which is currently somewhere over 1,500 pages and counting. We still have a few more courses that need to be published. So 100%, more or less, 98, 99% of our written curriculum is now completely publicly available. If you want access to the 700 plus videos and hundreds of quizzes and labs, assignments, exercises, projects, etc., that is behind our premium member monthly $29 a month subscription. That also gets you access to our lively, super supportive Discord where you can ask questions really any time of day, any day of the week, as we've got team members, mentors, instructors around to help all around the world. More or less every day of the week. You know, there's some quiet Sundays and stuff. We also offer a number of bootcamp programs. These are one-on-one bootcamp mentorship programs where you work with a software engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and they become your personal one-on-one mentor, and they help you and assist you personally on one-on-one screen shares, video calls, etc., as you make your way through our programs. We also have a nice blog, very powerful search functionality. We do one-on-one career coaching, and we also work with companies. So returning to the home screen, just give you a little tour around. We are really fortunate and grateful to have gotten some fantastic ratings and rankings from Fortune, Forbes, The Balance, ZDNet, SwitchUp, and others for the several past years in a row. And we also just got the #1 bootcamp for learning AI ranking from Forbes for 2024, which is fantastic. Scrolling down a bit, as I mentioned, we have a very powerful search functionality. You're going to find this all throughout the platform. You can search all of our curriculum and all of our content across the platform. You can also search within specific courses. We've got some nice motivational messages, which are going to follow you around once you've logged in, encouraging you to go a bit further, try a little harder, streaks, the number of lessons you've visited, etc. If you're working with a mentor, there's a number of ways to communicate with your mentor, and we've integrated with Discord, so you can just open Discord directly from the application and go right into asking questions either directly from your mentor or from our entire community. And when you become a premium member of Coding Nomads, that's $29 a month. That also gets you access to our Discord. It's honestly a really good deal because if you use it, if you leverage it, if you bring your questions, you've got some bugs, you've got some stack traces, or you need some help with something, essentially all hours of the day, most days of the week, there's going to be somebody there that's going to be able to help you. So it's a fantastic deal for those that are trying to learn to code and just want a little bit of help, but can do most of it on their own. So continuing on, we organize all of our content and curriculum under this, the subjects make sense, right? So if I click on, for instance, Python, here you'll see a bit more information about Python, where to start if you're just getting started. We offer a number of career tracks. These are beginner to professional programs that are typically 4 or more courses. And for instance, any Python career track, one of the first things you're going to do is install Python. It starts right at the beginning. And then in the data science, machine learning, AI career track, by the end, you're deploying some really advanced machine learning, deep learning models. And in the Python web development career track, you're building dynamic, secure, fantastic interactive web applications and deploying them as well to Azure, Heroku, AWS, if you like. So really beginner to professional level. These career tracks typically take, at a minimum 6, 7, usually more like 8, 9 months to complete. And then as mentioned, if you're in one of our bootcamp programs, if you've signed up for our career services program, once you've finished one of our more advanced courses, we work with you one-on-one with our career advisors to prepare all of your job search collateral, your resume, your LinkedIn, your GitHub, your cover letters, prepare for interviews, follow up from interviews, and track it all to really make it more of a science than kind of a shot in the dark, right? Our goal is to help you get up to speed technically, get interviews, pass those interviews, and then succeed on the job. And we've been at it for 7 years, and we really enjoy doing it. Just this morning, I got a notification from one of our students that they just landed their first software developer job. Yesterday morning, same exact, we got another notification from another former student that they just landed their first job. Really exciting. It's the best part of our job. Anyway, continuing, we've also got, we're in the Python subject page. So here you can see all of our courses that are Python based, Python 101, 201, 301, data science and machine learning, deep learning and neural networks, Django, Flask, data structures and algorithms. All of these courses are quite comprehensive. If you go ahead and pop into any one of them, we're in the Python 101 course here. A bit more information about this course, career tracks it's a part of. Now you can search directly within this course. And then you can see the actual course itself. And this isn't just a syllabus that you download. You don't even have to log in to see this. Right now, I am currently logged in. But even if you're not logged in, you've never logged in, you're an anonymous user, everything that you've seen in this demo so far, you can see, including all of our written curriculum, or 99% of it. There's just a few pages that you have to log in to see. So yeah, here we're in the course. Again, if you're a completely anonymous user, you can still come in here. And for instance, if we click into a content page or a page of curriculum, here we are in a page of curriculum, Python string to int conversion. Again, last time I'll say it, but you don't need to log in to see this. This is completely open to the internet. We really wanted to turn our curriculum inside out, right? So all of our written curriculum is completely public, organized, open to the internet. You don't even have to log in to see it. So I'll try not to say that again. But if we scroll around a bit here, we've got some really nice navigation. You can see the whole course outline. You can move around in it. We've also got the page contents. This expands, kind of sticks with you. Lots of code samples throughout, lots of little challenges, lots of little prompts for you to try certain things on your machine. When you start any one of our courses, you'll also download a project that has all kinds of examples, lab projects, and challenges for you to work on. So as you're going through these courses, you'll very often be prompted to go open VS Code or open whatever IDE you're using and complete a number of challenges. And we direct you right to the challenge that you should solve next. And one nice thing is that we've also got these interactive code interpreters or IDEs built right into the platform. So in this particular case, we've got a Python interpreter, and this lesson is all about Python conversions, in this case, string to int. And we can see that we've got this string user age. We're going to print that type. And then we're going to try to print this out. And we should actually probably see an error here, which we do. This is because we've got a conversion error. So what I need to do is cast this or convert this user age, which is currently of type string, to int. And then if I run it again, there we go. That works. These types of IDEs are built in across the platform in just about every course, and you just need to be logged in to use them. Anonymous users will still see this, but it just says you've got to log in to run code. So this is just one example of our over 1,500 pages of curriculum just like this that are freely available to you right now. If I go back over to the home page, keep scrolling down. As I mentioned, we've also got this idea of career tracks. We can go ahead and hop into the data science, machine learning, and AI career track. This is quite a long one, right? So we estimate it's going to take roughly 9 months to complete all of this material and all of the associated courses if you're studying at about 15 to 20 hours per week. Hundreds of lessons, hundreds of videos, many quizzes, hundreds of code samples, labs, projects, etc. There are 6 courses in this track, so you'll start right at Python 101, Python 201, SQL and databases, Python 301, data science and machine learning, deep learning with neural networks. These are some fantastic courses. They're really comprehensive, and they walk you through each thing step by step with written instructions, video demonstrations, and then labs, challenges, quizzes, and projects for you to work on. We spent a lot of time on these to really help you learn this stuff. That's our goal, right? So going back to the homepage, we've made it through the career tracks. We've also, if you want to just hop into some popular lessons, you want to learn something new, we've got all kinds. Again, lots of street cred. We've gotten among the best Java boot camps by Forbes and ZDNet, best data science boot camps from Fortune and SwitchUp, best Python boot camps from The Balance, and as of 2024, the best AI boot camp from Forbes, which is fantastic. A bit more information about who we are. We're just a friendly community trying to build cool products, write good courses, and help people learn them with our mentorship program, both for our members and those who are in our bootcamp mentorship programs. Just a bit more here, some sign-up options. Now, if we go over to the catalog, and the catalog is kind of the heart of the application, as I mentioned here, all of the subjects, career tracks, and courses that we teach are going to be listed. So you can click on any subject to see all the relevant courses that we have. We've currently got 3 career tracks: data science, machine learning, and AI, Java enterprise development. This goes through Java and the Spring framework, Spring Boot. This platform that you're looking at, CodingNomads.com, was actually built using Java, Spring, and JavaScript for the most part. So you can really do a lot if you want to build interesting, dynamic, secure applications using Java and Spring. We're big fans of it over here. That's what we built this program, this platform with. And then we've got a list of all of our individual courses. And there's quite a bit of them. We've got SQL and databases, Git and GitHub, career resources, Bash and the command line interface, data structures and algorithms, which covers both Java and Python. We're still, that's a module that we continue to build out, but it covers all kinds of data structures, arrays, array lists, hash maps, dictionaries, stacks, queues, trees, probably missing something. And then a number of sorting algorithms: bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, etc. And we continue to build that out as well. Next, let's take a look at the dashboard. Again, this is just a place where you can see the pages that you've recently viewed. I'm currently not enrolled in any career tracks, so let's just demonstrate that. So I'm going to go to career track. Let's go to data science, machine learning, AI. Now I'm enrolled. Now when I go back to the dashboard, there's our career track that we're enrolled in and all the associated courses that are associated with that career track. I should also mention we've got progress tracking. So every course and every career track, it'll always tell you exactly how far along you are in that program. And again, as I've mentioned, lots of nice little motivational messages. And this is just V1. We've got a lot coming in terms of helping you re-engage and helping you understand where you're at in the process that we're really looking forward to releasing. Lastly, I'll just show you our blog. We've got a fantastic blog, for instance, how to be productive while learning online. Create smart goals, right? So be specific, be measurable, be action-oriented, be realistic, and be time-bound. And speaking of time-bound, I think I'll more or less wrap up the demo here. There's plenty to show you that I'd love to show you. There's a whole back end where we do the learning management kind of administration, where we can create courses, create blog posts, and basically everything that you see here on the front end is controlled by the content management system, the LMS, CMS that's on the back end of this. If you're interested to learn more, please visit codingnomads.com. You feel free to contact us. There's a contact form on there. And thank you for watching.